give them up. Everybody up, love we look, yeah, give them up.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're gonna do a DIY on a 2010 under Civic. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna paint the hood. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, let's get into the video, man. So first we're gonna wet sand the hood, take off all of this, and then we're gonna paint it with the silver can spray. So it's gonna look way better with these brand new headlights. So after I sand it, I'm gonna take it to the car wash, give it a good wash, and yeah, guys, let's get it. So okay, guys, so let me just put this over here. So I'm gonna give the bonnet a little damp real quick, because we're gonna wet sand it. So let's go. Okay, guys, so as you guys will see right here, it's already sanding already. I touch up this spot, so now I'm gonna do the corner real quick.
Fling the pussy palm me. Yes, she just boom, 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 boom. One fling the pussy palm me. Say if she never have a man, she give me fast. I woulda give me one son, or give me one daughter and a drama. Say she woulda ride me like a yama and a laughter. Say she want a fuck hotter than a sauna. With a rubber dub, anyway I rather boom, 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 boom. One fling the pussy palm me. Yes, she just boom, 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 boom. One fling the pussy palm me. Say if she never have a man, she give me fast. I woulda give me one son, or give me one daughter and a drama.
Okay, guys, so that's how it's looking right now, but I'm gonna have to wash it off real quick, and then I'm probably gonna just tape it off, or I'm gonna just dry it real quick, and then I'm gonna spray it. Okay, guys, so I just rinse it off a little bit, so I'm gonna let it probably get a little bit of air dry, but kind of wiped off with this. Just want to cover up a little piece of the headlight right there. So we're gonna give it a light coat. So we're gonna give it a light coat first, then we're gonna move on with the process. So let's get it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna give it a light coat. And this was the closest one I could find. I don't care if the emblem got sprayed up, I don't care. Just give it a light coat. Let's go to these corners right here. Oh crap, I think I got a little water right here. So let me see if I could, just like that, just a little dab. Remember guys, this is just a light coat, that's it. Don't try to hold it too close to the surface. So we're gonna give that like 5 minutes and then we're gonna come back to it. Okay guys, so I went ahead and give it a couple more coat. But damn, the shit off the tree fall on it. So I'm all right. So yeah guys, I just give it a couple coats. As you can see, looks way better than first. So let me know what you guys think, man. Everything coming along well, but later I'm gonna bring it to go wash it. I'm gonna go wash the car later. I'm gonna fix up the bumper and everything. I'm thinking about if I should paint the mirror. Thinking about painting it, so let's see. And if you guys reach this far into the video, man, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Thank you guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna go over it one more time and get it and give it another coat, and then that's it. It's gonna be the last one. Touching up some spots. Don't worry about right here. I'm gonna block it out back, so that's no biggie. Okay guys, so we're gonna leave it to dry and then we're gonna take it to the car wash. So thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for rocking with me, and just remember to like, comment and subscribe, and peace. I'll catch you in the next one.